Good day, wizards. Welcome to your next lesson. Acids, bases, and neutrals. What do you know about acids? Would you touch an acid? Have you ever tasted an acid? Do you think it would be possible to taste an acid without burning your tongue? What do you think it would feel like when an acid burned your tongue? Before we talk more about acids, let us first examine the human tongue. It is almost fascinating organ and plays an important role in our sense of taste. Taste of substances. Now wizards, we like food and drinks depending on how they taste. What do you love about your favorite food? Look in the mirror and stick out your tongue. Look for small round bumps. These are called papillae. Most of them contain taste buds. The taste buds are very small structures which have sensitive hairs. The chemicals in the food that you eat dissolve into your saliva in solution. The chemicals then stimulate the tiny hairs within the taste buds and turn these signals into impulses. These impulses travel to the brain, allowing us to experience the sensation of taste. Now, our sense of taste protects us, okay? Just as we like and seek out good foods that taste good, our bodies have also been programmed to avoid food with strong, bitter, or sour taste. This wizards helps to protect us against poisons, which often have a strong, bitter taste. Bitter is also the basic taste that our tongue are almost sensitive to. Spoiled food often tastes sour, and it may also have a bad smell. Our instinct will be to avoid it, which will protect us from becoming ill from ingesting the organisms that have spoiled the food. Properties of acids, bases, and neutral substances. Acids and bases are an important group of chemicals. We can find these chemicals in scientific laboratories and factories. However, many household chemicals and foods are also acids, bases, or neutrals, depending on their properties. It is very important to know what the properties of these chemicals are so that we know that what they can be used for and whether they are dangerous or not. Now let's quickly look into acids. The word acid comes from the Latin word acere, the acidus, which means sour. Acids generally have a sour taste. For example, lemon juice. Acids can be strong or weak. Now bases. A base is the opposite of an acid. A base will stop an acid from working. If you have too much hydrochloric acid in your stomach, you can take an antacid like NO to neutralize some of the stomach acid. Soaps, baking soda, and antacids such as NO are common base. Neutral substances. We have learned that when an acid and a base are mixed in the right amounts, they will neutralize each other. That means that together they will change into something that is either an acid nor a base. So the acid will lose its properties and so will the base. And the new substance that forms from the two substances will be either and neither an acid nor a base. We call it a neutral substance. Some neutral substances are formed when an acid is mixed with a base and a neutralization reaction occurs. Other substances are neutral to begin with. They are not the product of neutralization reaction. The neutral substances that are the most well known are water, table salt, sugar solution, and cooking oil.